been an increase in the outbreaks of infectious diseases, and the thing that has changed is that we have more people who aren't vaccinated in the country, and we need to reverse that quite quickly or this could get out of hand. The thing that will make the most difference is that the country introduces new regulations where any child who wants to use childcare facilities, school facilities or any other public spaces where they would have to interact with other children will have to be vaccinated before they can use them.
I'm not against it myself, but I think we need to think about it very carefully, because what you could be doing is giving a lot of oxygen to very peculiar views about vaccination.
There is a huge campaign of misinformation out there suggesting to people that it is safer not to vaccinate children, and it's completely misleading, and it really takes advantage of parents in countries like Ireland where it's not mandatory at the moment to vaccinate.
I was looking at the figures for vaccination, and all across the country in the big areas into which HSE is divided, it's 92%. We know it needs to be 95% to stop the spread of measles. Most of the kids who get measles and die are under 1, and they're too young to vaccinate. They're the really high-risk group.